Hello, the Silver Paws. Today I'm playing Piggy hard mode. Pick a map. So I'm gonna pick a map. And I'm gonna go to school because it's easy. I'm a noob. Yeah, I'm a noob. So I'll be. Oh, never mind. Oh no, the school is closed with the laser. Of course, it's infected. Seems like we have to go through and using the sewers. Okay. Purple key. Okay. Yellow key. They got that. This isn't multiplayer game because only one player. This time I got the take that. Okay, I have to open that. Hurry before the mouse rat, whatever it is, comes. It was a skunk. Why did I not realize that? No. I have the toy. Okay. The school's been pretty hard, so I'm gonna choose a different map. I have to wait. Okay. Forest coming soon. Okay. I'm gonna go with gallery. You have chosen gallery. Okay. I'm just gonna go with normal because I don't know what happened. Preparing game. Preparing. Okay. Difficult medium. Gallery difficult medium. Good luck. Is that grandfather or George? No, George. I do not know. Okay. Yeah, great. There's lasers. I'm done with lasers. Mikey. Yes. Why do we have Mikey in the first place? Where are the boxes? Okay, we're going this way. Hurry, go. Yay. Okay, nothing's here yet. We will not see a yellow banana. Oh wait, key. What in the world is that? This ugly, horrible. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, now me. Where in the? There's nothing here. I saw the white room, but how do I distract the bee? I forgot. There's a laser! Why? I'm gonna go with the female, because the female... Never mind. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Wow, it's not ready. Gallery difficulty medium. Well, I'm the female. Well, she has a cute bow. I like it. Is that Penny? Or grandmother? I think it's grandmother. Yeah, is that mother? Yeah, that's mother, I think. This time, I'm not falling for anything. See, wait. Oh, meat! What is this for? William? That's creepy. Oh my god, I'm not going down near that. Wait. We'll get that! It has been stunned for 15 seconds. Then where is my key? I haven't seen it. That's creepy too. There's that bee again. There's a laser here. How to be careful with ammo going here. Why is it bee infected? I hate bees, even though they bring you honey and stuff. I don't like them. The bee. I don't see anything. Is there anything in here? I don't want to go back to the bottom. I don't want to die again. I see that monster guy. He's coming. This time I'm choosing a different map. I'm going with house, because house seems medium. I wonder if there's different bots. Okay, and there's been an update on Piggy, and there's been an update of the new redesign skins, and I got Pony, so I'm working my way to Foxy. Foxy looks very cool. I like it. Okay. I'm very scared. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm very. Turn off bot power. Bots didn't spawn yet. Okay. Where do those bots spawn? Okay, I'm waiting until the bots spawn. That's cool. I know I'm a noob. I thought I turned off their power. What in the world is that? They turned it off? How does it go testing? I thought I turned off their power. Well, I'm going over to Piggy. Okay, so I am in Piggy. And there's been an update in the remodel skins. Yeah, I bought little brother and mother. And here's father. Father looks new. The Peppa Piggy looks kind of different. Also, the little brother. Also, mother. She has like kind of a little bow. Father looks definitely different. He lost his glasses. Oh, look at Sheepy. I don't know. It's different. Candy too. She had a yellow one in the dress. Teacher had a purple dress, and she didn't have glasses. Oh, look at Kitty. Look at Kitty. I bought it actually. Oh, look at Mimi. Oh, look at Daisy. Look at Pony. Yeah, I bought Pony. Giraffe looks cool. Doggy, Berry, Dr. Berry, Scary Berry, whatever you want to say it. Foxy is different. Ellie. I thought Future Kid was gonna be different. Bunny's different. I don't know if she has a scratch in her eye. Mousie's different. Oh, did you? Oh, she has a cute little bird. They think Lizzie changed. Billy changed. Elvis is cute. Mari is amazing. I've got to be looking for the Valentine's. Yes, I am Baby Yoda. I'm Baby Yoda. What? I know. No, it's a blonde. I like the new dress, Peppa. What are you doing in Granny? Oh! Did you see that? I just bounced clipped her. I just bounced on her head and she went like. Kill that girl. Kill her. Oh my God. Well, Peppa looks. Slash Piggy. And looks different. I saw her face. Oh my God, I was choking. Stop it. Stop it. Leave me alone. You have right. Well, now you're gonna die now. Run. You distract her. Oh wait, I could have just got. Okay, not the way I was expecting. Well, we're going to book 2 and see if we could beat. Wait, I already beat. Why do I always have to die in the first round? Well, I already beat chapter 5. I saw the ending. It's pretty sad. Oh my God! Look at Mother over here. Mother, Mrs. Brat. Mother, over here, Brat. Fat pig. Do you hear me, fat pig, with your tiny little baby ears? Hello? Do you hear me, fat pig? Okay, now you do. Mother's kind of fast now. Why does that guy wants to friend me? Do not friend anybody. Even though I have some friends that I don't even know. I'm gonna delete them later. Blue key. Have I used that? Oh, I'm blind. I'm very blind. I thought this was a blue key, but it's actually a red key. I swear, Mother, you're here. I swear. Good. Here's a battery. Ooh, look at that blank. I went. Is the blue key open? I don't know. No, it isn't. So. Well, though, that pig is gonna go kill them. Well, I'm sorry, brother, that I called you a fat pig. You're gonna be yummy for bacon. No joking. Can I please get the point? Thank you. Wait, is that the white key? No, that's the red. Oh my God. I haven't seen Mother Pig. I haven't seen Mother Pig yet. Here is the blue key. Found it. Give me it. I want a beat station. I want to go along. Oh, here's another battery. I swear. Mother, give me a heart attack. Mother! I swear, Mother, I hate you for the rest of my life. Peppa, why do you have a scary mother if she jump scares me? Well, this is a horror game, by the way. Everybody knows that. It's a horror game. It's creepy. Oh, look at the new Foxy over here. I swear if it's fake. Look at the Foxy. Oh, look, he has a tail now. He has a tail and his colors. He looks like more like a teenager. Oh wait, the thing is, the door is open. I swear, Clowny. It's a bot, definitely. Okay, get out! Go! Go! Why am I not going? Wow. Mr. P, I'm here too. Who are you? Well, I got this badge already. Zizzy, are they infected? Oh, look at Pony. They changed this. Look. Zizzy hasn't changed. Pony, the infected don't talk. Right, I knew that. I'm Zizzy, and this is my friend Pony. Well, we know that already. Well, we don't. until now. On TFB Willow, what are you doing here? We came here to look for survivors. We got a safe place. Like chapter 4. Oh look, they got a friend too. No, that's Foxy. Oh my god. No, that's Foxy. Foxy. That's no friend, that's one of them. Don't worry, I got this. What are you gonna do? Arthur, no. Wow, Arthur is actually useful. Thinks that was a close one. Okay, bye. We'll bring. Well, at least I got more piggy points. Hello, I don't see anything. No, I don't want to be traitor. I traitor. Well, later, but I can be traitor. Imagine I am. Oh, they ran this way. Mom, why would they hide here? Wait, did I get this badge? I don't know. Did I? Well, I don't know. We'll soon find out. Willow is traitor, I swear. I am not traitor. I am not traitor. Why does everybody think I'm traitor? I'm lagging so bad. I'm not traitor. I'm actually not. I'm not joking. I'm not. Hold on. Robbie, please don't. I'm not the traitor. I swear. If I swear, I'm gonna say I am. I'm just kidding. I am. I am traitor. I might actually think that, and then I can get the traitor. And I get piggy points. Hit me, huh? Beware. My boogie, purple key, yes. Get the gun and shoot me, or else I get the traitor. I don't trust the traitor. Yes, trust that. Do not trust me. I am the traitor. Robbie, stop it. Oh, I know who the traitor is. Oh, I know. Who is it? I don't trust you. She wasn't. I shot her by accident. I'm sorry. Who is the traitor? She's gonna come after me. Great. Wow, that was a waste of time. Well, at least I shot memory. I shot somebody and I did actually turn into memory. That was so funny. Let's see if I can become Piggy this route. I'm gonna be Pony / Arthur. Be right back. Well, I'm not Piggy yet. Well, they're choosing the safe place, so I hope I can get this badge because I got not chapter 1. I got chapter 3. Yeah, I think I got chapter 3. I don't know. Player. Infection. Oh, infection. Wait. Yes. I was so confused at the time. Dang it. Well, at least I can manage to survive. Well, I'm gonna get infected. Come on, wake up already, TSP Willow. We need to get out of here. Hey, George, you're gonna have to do jumping jacks. Wait, what is that sound? What is going on? Well, Willow. I'm gonna close everybody. Bye. Okay. going to what's right here. The ladder. I don't need that. I need to come down my. Here's the screw. I never seen the screwdriver be here before. Well, now I have. Get me! Kill me. Kill you. Somebody glitch! Oh wait, never mind. Yay, well at least I got all the kills. Yay, I'm at 170. I can get grandmother, but I think it's CP teacher. No, not teacher. I want to see what. Yeah, I'm saving it. This time I'm saving up for Foxy. But well, his music is kind of pretty loud. Oh, Granny's house. I already got this bad lord. Whatever. Well, at least I can get more piggy points. My piggy points. So I want more piggy points. Didn't even get the gears. My God. Stupid people. Even Piggy. I even bounced on her head. Stupid damn Piggy. Stupid damn Piggy. Oh wait, I wish to get the gun, but no. I don't trust you. Where is my beautiful hammer? Where's my hammer? Where's my hammer? Has anybody seen my hammer? Where's the dumb fat pig? Haven't seen her in a while. What do you have? You have bullets. That's all you have. My hammer! You had my hammer. How dare you? How dare you have my hammer? How dare you? Where's the pig, by the way? Where even is the pig? Stop jump scaring me like that! Well, I'm getting the gun and I'm shooting. Nope. It's where you have ammo. Yep, I have. I'm getting. Mine. I'm shooting whoever. Well, at least I got more piggy friends. My gun, haha. Haha. My gun. Where is this pig? I shot the pig. Yes, I got the elephant. I got the elephant. Oop, I didn't. Oop, sorry. Oop, don't shoot me. Sorry. Wait. Okay, I'm leaving the server. Well, I'm not leaving the server. Oh, it's just me. My dad is going to work. So I'm gonna be ending the video some other time when he gets home. Not yet. Arthur, what the heck are you doing? Stupid Arthur. Dumb fat horse. Nay. Go be with your girlfriends. Is it? Oh wait, she's dead. Oh wait, never mind. She's not dead. Well, she's not dead in this chapter. Only in chapter book 2. She's dead. She's dead. Oh, sorry, Arthur. You don't have a Valentine's Day. Where the heck am I going? Shut up. I'm getting the gun from you. And I'm going to be shooting the soldier. Why am I going that way? Arthur, do something.